Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how I use flaxseed as a treatment on my daughter's hair. It brought back her coils. Okay, so right here I am putting in my flaxseed. Okay, I'm going to stir it, allow it to boil for a few minutes, maybe like up to like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It's okay. But when you see that your flaxseed is drying, okay, when you see it has this drying consistency, you know your flaxseed is ready. All right, so here I am going to strain it in my strainer. Okay, if you have a cheesecloth or a wig cap, you can use that, but I'm going to be using this strainer because this flaxseed is not the thick one, okay, that require cheesecloth or wig cap. This one is a bit lighter because I'm going to use it to detangle her hair. I need it to pass very well through her hair. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my space where I do natural ingredients to grow out your hair. If you're suffering from alopecia, thin edges, bald spots, and any other hair issue you're suffering from, I'm here to help you out to regrow your hair, because me too, I suffer from alopecia, and I'm trying to grow out my hair with all these natural ingredients. So I poured the flaxseed in a plate. I'm going to be adding my hair oil. Okay, I'm just going to add a few drops of my hair oil, and I also use this treatment on my hair as well, which I'll be dropping out the video after this one. So here I apply it all over my daughter's hair. Okay, this is how her hair is right now, but previously her hair was looking so full, as you saw from the thumbnail. It was not looking so well as I expected it to look. Okay, so right here I just apply it all over her hair, and her coils are really bouncing. Like, yeah, can you see that coil? Like, are you for real? Yeah, so this is the state of her hair right now. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly watch it to the end so that you see the after result after I finish removing rinsing her hair out. Okay, this is her hair after it's being rinsed. Like, you're just one comb and there is no more detangling. Like, it does not tangle again. It's so easy to comb out. Like, I was so impressed because this is the first time me using flaxseed on her hair. Okay, so her hair is a hair of she's a mixed baby. Okay, so her hair is like 4B, 4C, 4A texture. Okay, so she has different texture on her hair. So I try to use flaxseed to see if I can be able to manage and comb my hair, because she always cry each time I'm trying to comb the hair. And immediately I put the flaxseed, like, the coil just bounce. And right here, as I'm combing it, like, I'm combing it so effortless. Like, it's so easy to comb out, and she's not cranky and the rest. So if your daughter's hair is a bit stubborn, try use flaxseed. It's a good way to detangle their hair. Okay, like, I'm so pleased with the coils right now. Like, I wish our coils can just be like this for a very long time, because after this I know it's going to puff out back. Okay, so I'm just going to be combing it, and I'll show you guys when I added coconut oil on her hair, because this is just her hair without any product. Okay, so fam, here is her hair. I just applied only coconut oil, and you can see that the coils are now so tiny. Like, this is so amazing. Like, if you've not used flaxseed on a kid's hair, try using flaxseed. Like, flaxseed really bring out the coils on their hair. Like, can you see the coils, guys? Like, this is so beautiful. I'll be using more of flaxseed on her hair. She's just 2 years old plus. Okay, just in case you want to know how old she is, she's just 2 years old plus. All right, so this is what we have, just flaxseed and coconut oil, and your baby's hair coils will be bouncing. Like, what do you think in the comment section? I'll be reading it, and I'll show you guys some picture clips at the ending of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave your commentary as well. So in my channel, I'll be incorporating more of my hair and my daughter's hair. My hair is 4C, bone straight 4C, while my daughter's hair is a little bit different from mine. Okay, so I'm incorporating it to the channel. Let me know what you think, what's your thoughts. All right, so and I'll see you all in our next video. Bye guys.